2018 has been a year of parallel planets. One world is my work life and career, but the other is escaping reality and exploring the wider context in which we live in. The way I see it, the world is a book, and those who don't travel read only one page. Whatever the circumstance, I always remind myself to make time to travel, to explore, to create. I know it's difficult to just let go of everything and follow your dreams, isn't it? But for now, it's easier to make sure your two worlds run parallel. Continue to travel, continue to explore, continue to create. Accommodate your needs and balance your wants. Take risks, face your fears and reiterate. Overcome your challenges until your two worlds collide into one.